Hi guys, I am here from Tech Gadget, and in today's video, we're taking a look at the Galaxy tablet here now. This is the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and we're gonna unbox it. And take a look at what this tablet offers now. This is the tablet right here, and in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at some of the different features that this tablet offers, as well as what comes with this tablet in the box. Now included in the box, we do get this USB-C to USB-C cable. This is provided to charge the tablet. We also have a small SIM tool here, which you can go ahead and use to open the SIM tray on this tablet if you're going to connect it to a cellular service. In addition, we have the quick start guide and the terms and conditions. Alright, that is everything included in the box. Let's go ahead and open up the tablet and see how it works. First off, I really like that they included this little protective cover here to go ahead and protect it in the shipping process when shipping this tablet. Now we'll just go ahead and open this like an envelope and get access to the tablet. Alright, and here's our first look at the tablet. Now as you can see, it has a really nice, silver, matte finish on the back. You can see we've got that camera right up there. And then the Samsung logo up here, the top left corner. Now on the front, we have a very large display screen, as well as a front-facing camera up at the top. On the side, we have our speakers. On the top, we have our lock button, as well as our volume rocker and our microphone. On the other side, we have our speakers. We have a microphone and a USB-C port, and lastly on the bottom, this is where you'll find your SIM card tray, if you want to go ahead and use that SIM tool to remove it. Now first things first, we'll just go ahead and hold down on the lock button until the tablet turns on, and you can see the tablet is now booting up. Alright, now that the tablet has booted up, we're ready to go ahead and hit start. From here, we can go ahead and set up this tablet from either a Galaxy or Android device or even an iPhone or an iPad. Alright, now there's a few features I'd like to show you about the tablet down here. You have 6 different app icons right there. Those will actually stay to the bottom of your screen whenever you're swiping through your different home screens. Now if you would like to move any of the app icons on the screen, you can simply go ahead and long press on them and drag them to wherever you would like. From there, you can go ahead and customize this to your liking. Now let's go ahead and test out the camera by tapping the camera. Go ahead and take a photo here by pushing this big white button over here on the right. Now to go ahead and navigate when you're in an app, you can go ahead and push this little button here, and this will take you to the home screen. This is the home screen button. This is the back button, and you can go ahead and manage any open apps that are running by tapping this button. And you can even close apps by swiping up on them. Alright, now that we've taken a photo, let's go ahead and jump into our gallery by clicking on this little pink flower, and we'll go ahead and take a look at our photo. Now, this is the photo we took with the camera, and you'll notice that the camera actually has really good quality and has very good detail to it. Another feature I want to show you is how to download an app now. First, we'll go over to the Play Store, and we'll go ahead and sign in with our Google account. And we can go ahead and download different apps for this tablet. If you would like to browse the web, there's an app built right in, and that is Google Chrome. You can go ahead and tap on that, and you can log into your Google account and begin browsing the web. To access your calendar, there is a calendar app built right in, and you can go ahead and swipe through different months and pick a day, and go ahead and add an event if you would like by hitting this little plus button at the bottom right. If you would like to access your files or folders, simply tap on this Files app, and you can access any of the different files from your device. Overall, guys, I think this is a very high-quality tablet. I've been really impressed with the responsiveness, the quality and texture and detail of the screen, and also how well the camera works. And for that reason, I would highly recommend this Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus.